Why, hello, my smooth friends. It's me, Smooth Brain, again. Today I have a snack video for you. And today we're going to try a couple of things that were in my grocery store. One, we're going to try licorice from Wiley, Wallaby. Australia is known for their licorice for some reason. And this one's trying to trick us into thinking that it's from Australia because it's actually made in the USA right here. And I have 4 flavors from that: blasted berry, lemonade, classic red, and watermelon, which I'm really excited about trying. Now you'll see some of these are open already, because I got snacky before I could do this video and ate a couple pieces, so I do have some first impressions already for a couple of them. We also have Darryl licorice, and this is actually made in Australia. So, let's see what it says here. These are made from sugar and wheat. And Darryl sweets made in Australia. And I have 3 flavors of these. I have pink lemonade, so we can compare that directly to the lemonade one. Raspberry with some kind of filling, chewy sticks. And where did I put the last one? Hold, please. And the last one is red raspberry. Okay, so let's start with the made in the USA one. I'm going to start with the lemonade since it's open already. These are 3 pieces equal 80 calories. So it's relatively low in calories, but it is not really good for you. It's all filler and stuff. But this is what it looks like. It does have like these little grooves in it. And this one is very lemony. It's got a little sweetness, but it is very much lemony. These have 40 milligrams of sodium in them and a total carb of 21 grams. So, it was good. But I did notice the other day when I was eating them that the lemon ones did give me a little heartburn. So the citric acid in them might have triggered me a little bit. Yes, it does have citric acid and natural and artificial flavors, malic acid, sodium citrate, fumaric acid, etc., etc., and yellow number 5, whatever that means. Okay, the next one are the blasted berry, sorry. And this one, 3 pieces equals 90 calories. And let's see. There are 3 different colors. So there's like a pink one, a red one, and a darker purple one. Let's try them. Another one's very berry-y. I like this one a lot better. Again, a little less sodium in this one, only 10 grams per 3 pieces. Or 10 grams per piece, rather. So 30 milligrams total. And then, sorry, milligrams, not grams. Grams would be like way too much. Let's try this one. I think the lighter one is more flavorful. This one has more grape flavor to it. It does say it's fat-free and no dairy or high fructose corn syrup. But it has corn syrup in it. Not high fructose corn syrup, but it does have corn syrup in it. So just keep that in mind. And then the last one This one has a little bit of like a spicy berry to it. I like this one the best. That might be your one. Next, I'm going to try the watermelon one. Again, 3 pieces in this is 90 calories. And 3 pieces does kind of fill me up. So I'm going to be pretty full after this video, but it does smell like that candy watermelon smell. Again, 10 milligrams per piece. This one feels a lot more chewy and sticky. It does taste watermelon-y. I like this one too. I really enjoy licorice, and I've always been a fan of Twizzlers. Probably not the best licorice in the world, but there's something about it that I enjoy. And I had a friend who used to call them constipation sticks, because if you eat too many, they're going to bung you up. So there's that. Okay, this one is classic red natural strawberry. This is the last of the USA ones. 3 pieces again, 90 calories. And it has a little bit, smidge more sodium, so 35 milligrams per 3 pieces. This one's good. I think these are all way better than Twizzlers, to be honest, even though I love Twizzlers. So yeah, I'm going to give these an 8 out of 10. And I'm going to tell you that these Darryl Lee ones are hard to open. When I opened the one last night, it really was difficult to open. So you might have to cut it. Okay, so this is the pink lemonade one. And you'll see Darryl Lee does not have ridges on it. It's all smooth and it's just like a little tube. And these are slightly more calories. Oh, these actually are less calories because 5 pieces make 100 calories. So where these are about 30 calories each, these are about 20 calories. That's very sour. It's very lemon forward. Again, I think this would give me heartburn. So their first ingredient is wheat flour. Then they use sugar and glucose syrup, glycerin, natural flavors, rice bran oil, malic acid, citric acid, salt, colored with fruit and vegetable juice concentrates, licorice paste, and carnauba wax. So I do feel this has a lot less artificial ingredients in it than the Wiley Wallaby made in the US. Let's see what's next. Let's try the chewy sticks ones next. Nope, these don't have like the resealable thing, so I'm just going to open these. No artificial flavors, no high fructose corn syrup, and no corn syrup either. These are raspberry flavored with other natural flavors. And you'll see it's very red, but it also has this little center core. It says satisfy your cravings with something sweet and tangy. A sour filling. Ooh, it's sour. It is sweet and sour. This one, the serving size is 4 pieces at 110 calories. Very low in total sugar. Again, 35 milligrams for 4 pieces. I'm not a big fan of that. So the sour ones of these, the lemonades and that chewy sticks, are not my favorite. And then the final one, which I already tried and I know I enjoy, are very difficult to open raspberry. These ones are, again, the tube, and 5 pieces per serving, 100 calories, so one of these is 20 calories, and very low sodium as well. It was good. So I have to rank them. This is my favorite flavor. Then I would follow it by this one. This tastes just like licorice is supposed to taste. And I would then put the watermelon one, and then the classic red. If I have to say overall which brand I prefer, I would say probably the Darryl Lee. It has a lot less artificial ingredients in it. The ones I do not like at all, though, are these soury ones, the lemonades. Both of them can go kick rocks. And this chewy stick is really sour inside. So, but it's not like Sour Patch Kids sour. It's just really sour and burning. Anyway, let me know if you like licorice and what flavors you like. No, I did not try any black licorice because black licorice to me is poo. I don't like it. I don't like the flavor of anise. In very small doses maybe, but I feel like it's a very strong flavor that is not something I enjoy as a snack. If you like these videos, feel free to leave a comment. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I'm trying to build up my channel, and I'm really hoping that you enjoyed this. So, remember, be happy, not sad. Look for good snacks that aren't high in calories and give you more bang for your buck. The 2 I would recommend are these 2 here. By the way, one is 7 ounces and one is, and I forget how much they cost, but I will post it as well. One is 7 ounces and one is 10 ounces. So you get 10 ounces in the Wiley Wallaby versus the 7 ounces in the Darryl Lee. Alright, happy Memorial Day. That's when I'm filming. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye!